Jenna are gonna go to my friend S.A.'s house, and she's gonna burn like 200 something trees. Christmas trees, as her brother Joe says. It's a bit late, but we're gonna go burn some trees. Are you ready, Jenna?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Fire's always good, right? The cat check.
Her response, good grief, no we didn't. No, I don't. Put it back on, screw it back on. It's leaking.
We're all going to go to church tomorrow. None of them have eyes.
Now listen.
That was really fun. Actually, the fire department showed up. And the first thing that the guy, the fireman said when he walked up was, "Looks good to me." It was pretty funny, actually. But it was a good time.